Mario's gonna show you guys how he makes his spicy tamarindo michelada. So what do you need for this recipe?
We're gonna need some chamoy, some clamato, some Tajin, Tabasco sauce, some Maggie sauce, some beer of course, and lemon, and the secret ingredient is the Spicy Tamarindo Vodka.
What do we need first?
Alright, so we're gonna dip our cup in some chamoy. Get it all around. There we go. And we're gonna dump some Tajin on the rim. Alright. Then we're gonna need some Tabasco sauce. Do like 3 dabs of that. You want to get your Maggie sauce. Do another 3 dabs of that. Get your lemon. Half a lemon squeezed into it. There we go. And get your chamoy and do 1-2 squeezes. Get some more Tajin if you want a little bit more spicy. Do like 3 dabs of that. And then for our secret ingredient, and do some Spicy Tamarindo Vodka. Do a whole shot of that. Alright, and then give it a quick little mix. Grab an ice and just throw it in there. And then get your Clamato. You're gonna want to do about half of the cup. That way you got some space for some beer. I don't have beer. And then get yourself some nice dark beer like this Modelo Negra to pour into this michelada. And then just pour away. There we go. Alright, and our michelada is ready. Go ahead and taste it.
Alright.
See what you think. Is it good?
Yep.
Alright, so what are we going to be making next week?
We should make some Moscow mules. Dad, chile on my teeth.